In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to play Best Part by Daniel Caesar and H.E.R. Here's a demo of what that song sounds like. I wanna see how beautiful you are. You know that I see it. I know you're a star. Where you go, I'll follow, no matter how far. If life is a movie, know you're the best part. Hey, welcome back to this channel. If you have your ukulele on you and it's in the standard tuning of G, C, E, A, let's dive right into this tutorial. Also, you're invited to be a part of my ukulele community on Patreon. It's called the U Crew, and there you'll have access to chord charts, exclusive tutorials, and other opportunities to strum along with uke players around the world. So join the fam, click on the link in my description box below, and I hope to see you there. And finally, I want to thank Leolani Ukulele for allowing me to showcase this amazing tenor size model. It's truly become one of my favorites to play, and I love it so much because of the warm, full tone that I get out of this instrument. So whether you play solo or with a group, you're going to feel that support from this model. And so if you want to get your hands on this, then don't forget to click on the link in my description box below. Next, there's 4 chords that we need to know in order to play Best Part. And those chords are D major, A minor, G major 7, and B flat major 7. Now if you already know those 4 chords, then great job. Feel free to skip ahead, otherwise we're going to break down these chords together. So the first chord for the song is D major. To play that, just take your second finger, press down on the 4th string of the 2nd fret, take your 3rd finger, press down on the 3rd string of the 2nd fret, then take your 4th finger and press down on the 2nd string of the 2nd fret. This is D major. The next chord is A minor. To play that, just take your 2nd finger and press down on the 4th string of the 2nd fret. This is A minor. The next chord is G major 7. To play that, take your 2nd finger, press down on the 3rd string of the 2nd fret, take your 3rd finger, press down on the 2nd string of the 2nd fret, then take your 4th finger and press down on the 1st string of the 2nd fret. This is G major 7. And the last chord for the song is B flat major 7. To play that, take your 1st finger, press down on the 2nd string of the 1st fret, take your 2nd finger, press down on the 3rd string of the 2nd fret, then take your 3rd finger and press down on the 4th string of the 3rd fret. This is B flat major 7. Now we're going to learn the string pattern for this entire song. It's just going to be down, chuck, down, pause, chuck. Let's play through that string pattern now on the D major chord. 1, 2, D major, down strum, ready, play. Down, chuck, down, pause, chuck. 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 By the way, if you want to learn more about how to chuck on the ukulele, then don't forget to check out my How to Chuck Ukulele tutorial. Next, we're going to learn the chord progression for this entire song. It's just going to be D major for 1 turn of the string pattern, A minor for 1 turn, G major 7 for 1 turn, and then B flat major 7 for 1 turn of the string pattern. Let's combine those elements and play that together. 1 and 2 and D major, down strum, ready, play. Down, chuck, down, pause, A minor, down, chuck, down, pause, G major 7, down, chuck, down, pause, B flat major 7, down, chuck, down, pause, D major, down, chuck, down, pause, A minor, down, chuck, down, pause, G major 7, down, chuck, down, pause, B flat major 7, down, chuck, down, pause, chuck. And now let's play that chord progression and the string pattern a little bit faster. 1, 2, D major, down strum, ready, play. Down, chuck, down, pause, A minor, down, chuck, down, pause, G major 7, down, chuck, down, pause, B flat major 7, down, chuck, down, pause, D major, down, chuck, down, pause, A minor, down, chuck, down, pause, G major 7, down, chuck, down, pause, B flat major 7, down, chuck, down, pause, chuck. Now that we know the chords, the chord progression, and the string pattern, let's put it all together with the lyrics and play through Best Part. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. You're the coffee that I need in the morning. You're my sunshine in the rain when it's pouring. Won't you give yourself to me? Give it all. I just wanna see how beautiful you are. You know that I see it. I know you're a star. Where you go, I'll follow, no matter how far. If life is a movie, know you're the best part. Oh, 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 you're the best part. Oh. Now, if you want to play through the rest of the song, then check out my ukulele cover for Best Part. And that's who played Best Part by Daniel Caesar and H.E.R. Thank you so much for checking out this tutorial, and I hope it brings you success in learning how to play the ukulele. Also, I want to give a special thanks to my friends RJ Hikes and Chance Wagonfield for supporting me on Patreon, which allows me to continue creating ukulele content like this tutorial. Again, don't forget to subscribe, to consider joining the U Crew on my Patreon page, and to check out this next tutorial so you can keep practicing and keep playing because you can uke.